Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can change the gender of your Bitmoji. First of all, get logged into your Snapchat, then tap onto your Bitmoji. Here, access settings on your top right. At the section, you will see Bitmoji. So tap on Bitmoji. If you would like to change the gender of your Bitmoji, you're going to have to tap on Unlink my Bitmoji first. Now, once it has been unlinked, you're going to have to take a selfie again, and from there on, you may go ahead and change the gender. So select Remove. Now let's go ahead and select Create My Avatar again. And as I do that, it will ask for a selfie. Here it says select an option below to begin. Here, confirm that you are a man, simply show your face. Then all you have to do is select Continue. And as you do that, you're going to have to repeat the same process as you repeated when creating your initial Bitmoji. And just like so guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.